Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check Discord ID. Discord's IDs are unique numerical identifiers used for bots, developers, or server management tasks. You'll need to enable developer mode in order to see your Discord ID. First, open the Discord app and make sure that you're logged into your account. From the home page, tap on U at the bottom right corner. From the U menu, click on the gear icon at the top right, and then from the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Advanced. Make sure to toggle on the button right next to Developer Mode at the top. Now, you can get back to the home page. Type in a name of a person and open up their profile in the search box. And then click the three dots at the top right of the person's profile. Now click on Copy User ID. Now paste it wherever needed. Now if you want to check a server ID, go ahead and select a server from the left-hand side menu from the home page. Now click on the name of the server, and then from the pop-up, scroll down and tap on Copy Server ID. Once you have the server ID, you can go ahead and paste it wherever needed. You can also check a message ID. In order to do so, go ahead and open up a server and find the message. Press and hold the message from the list and click on Copy Message ID. That way, you will be able to find your Discord ID for user, server, messages. Similarly, you can also check a channel's ID easily on Discord. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.